If you want to create a clean, professional cover page on Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the full process, step by step. A cover page is perfect for a coming soon page, a launch page, a simple announcement page, or any landing page where you want visitors to focus on one message and one action only. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build the page, remove distractions, and make it look polished and intentional. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, tutorials, and website walkthroughs. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside your site, look at the main menu and click Website. Then click Pages. This takes you to the Page Manager, where you can control how your site is structured and what your visitors can see. Now look for the Not Linked section. This is the area you want for a cover page, because anything placed here will not automatically appear in your main navigation bar. That's important if you want the page to stay hidden from your regular menu and only be used for a specific purpose. Next, click the plus icon next to Not Linked. When the new page options appear, choose Blank Page. Then give the page a clear name, like Coming Soon, Launch Page, or any title that matches your goal. After that, click Edit in the top left corner to open the page editor. This is where you'll build the actual cover page layout. Once the editor loads, click Add Section. Squarespace will give you a list of layouts and templates you can use for your hero area. For a cover page, the best approach is usually a simple, strong section with a clear headline and minimal distractions. You can choose a layout or an intro template depending on the look you want. Now it's time to design the main visual. Use Fluid Engine blocks to arrange your content. Start by adding a headline text box and center it so your message is immediately visible. Keep the headline punchy and direct because a cover page works best when it communicates one clear idea fast. Then upload a strong background image or visual that supports your brand, product, event, or announcement. Choose something high quality and visually appealing because this image will do a lot of the work in creating the right first impression. Next, add just one main action element. This could be a newsletter form block if you want to collect emails, or a primary button block if you want visitors to click through to another page, sign up, or learn more. The key here is to keep it simple. A cover page should not feel crowded. It should guide the visitor toward one obvious next step. Take a moment to adjust spacing, alignment, and overall balance. Make sure the headline is easy to read, the image doesn't overpower the text, and the button or form stands out clearly. If needed, resize or reposition your Fluid Engine blocks until the page feels clean and focused. This is the part that gives your cover page a professional finish. Once the page content looks the way you want, exit the active page editor and go back to your page's sidebar. Find the new landing page you just created, hover over the page name, and click the gear icon to open page settings. In the Settings sidebar, click the Navigation tab. Here you'll find the options that control whether the header and footer appear on this page. Toggle Show Header to Off. Then toggle Show Footer to Off. This is what turns your page into a true cover-style layout by removing the extra site elements that would normally distract from your message. After that, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've now created a Squarespace cover page with a clean hero section, a focused message, and no header or footer distractions. This is a great way to build a coming soon page, promote a launch, or create a landing page that feels simple and intentional. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.